Hi everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll be walking through how to set up SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records to improve your email deliverability and security using Bluehost. Let's get started. The sender we're using is demo at myeshop.space, the domain myeshop.space. We're going to go ahead and click Setup SPF DKIM once you've added the sender. From here, we have DKIM SPF, the values we're going to need to copy and paste into Bluehost. And we'll go over DMARC. That's something you have to set up external to Moosend, but we'll walk you through that as well. So heading over to Bluehost, we click on Domains. From here, you'll see the myeshop.space domain. This is our domain. You'll see your domain. Scroll to the bottom. We have Advanced Tools. Go ahead and click on Manage to the right of Advanced DNS Records here. And this is where we can go ahead and add a record. We want to make sure the record type is TXT. You can see that Bluehost automatically adds a domain to the record. So when we add a record, we will have to make sure we remove that. So back to Moosend, the DKIM, we're going to copy the record name. You'll see the domain here as well. So let's copy that. Let's opt for other host. Paste the host name here. And again, we want to make sure we remove that domain name, the .myeshop.space portion. We remove that. Go back to Moosend, copy the TXT record value, and we're going to paste it into the TXT value field. TTL, you can set it to half hour, 1 hour, whatever you like. It doesn't make a huge difference. Let's click Add. From there, we're going to go back to Moosend, expand the sender policy framework, SPF. The TXT record name, you can see it's the domain. So we won't have to copy that because Bluehost automatically adds that for us. So we'll just copy the TXT record value. Let's add a record. It's a TXT record. It refers to @ so we'll just put select the @ option here. It automatically adds this value to the domain. And we're going to go ahead and paste the TXT value that we copied from Moosend over here into the TXT value field. Again, the same thing with the TTL, half hour, 1 hour, doesn't make a huge difference. Go ahead and add. And then for DMARC, what I like to use is dmarcian.com. Hover over the resources in the navigation, click on DMARC Record Wizard. You want to go ahead, myeshop.space. So it's a step-by-step process where it walks you through the steps of creating a DMARC record. Add your domain here, and let's create a DMARC. So DMARC has many things it can do. We're not going to go into too much detail, but we're going to walk through this process really quickly. The DMARC policy, we want it to do nothing. This is a very basic DMARC policy. It'll work for all domains. We're not going to create any reports, no individual failure reports either. So we're going to opt for no, a relaxed alignment. Do we want a different policy for subdomains? We're going to say no to that. And a percentage email we want to apply this to, we can leave this at 100. It doesn't matter. It's not doing anything right now. Perfect. So it's created our DMARC record. This is the value. So go ahead and copy that back over to Bluehost. Add record, TXT. We want to go ahead and choose other host again. So we copied the value first this time. We'll paste the value in the TXT value field. Go back to DMARCian and the target host location, host in this case. Copy host. Paste it into the host name. As I mentioned, it automatically adds a domain for us. So in this case as well, we'll remove the myeshop.space. And then the TTL, half hour, 1 hour, again, click Add. And that's it. All of our records are below. Here's our DKIM we added earlier. Here is our SPF. And then finally, the DMARC we just added. And that's it.